In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create better front-end designs and get better UI output from your AI tools like Claude Code. So check this out. All you have to do is install Anthropic's official front-end design plugin. You can see here there's at this URL. I'm also going to reference it in the description of the YouTube video. But right now I have 12 Claude Code agents opened up inside of BridgeSpace, and I have this front-end design plugin installed on my Claude Code. But I want to show you guys the difference that this actually makes when you're using this in production. So check this out. Let's launch 2 sessions. Let's CD over into just our desktop, and we're going to CD into BridgeMind, and we're going to create 2 Claude Code sessions here. We're going to create a workspace with 2 Claude Code instances. One of them is going to be using this plugin. The other is not. So you can see here, one here and one here. And now what I'm going to do is I have a system prompt to create a website. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to prompt one of them to enable the front-end design plugin, and I'm going to tell the other one to not use the front-end design plugin. I do not want you to use the front-end design plugin for this. So I'm going to submit this one, and then the same thing, I'm going to say I want you to use the front-end design plugin for this. So I'm going to tell one to use it, one not, and then we're going to be able to see the differences. And whenever I'm making front-end designs, I'm using this front-end design skill, and this is what has enabled me to be able to create beautiful front-end design interfaces. For example, let's check out BridgeMind.ai. Check this out. So this website here was created and built using the Claude Code front-end design plugin. Everything that you see here, from the pricing page to the sign-up page to the product pages to the animations, everything that you see, Claude Code front-end design plugin. So if you haven't already started using this plugin today, make sure you get it installed and start using it. But with that being said, let's let these Claude Code instances run, and then we'll see the differences. I now do have the results from our test. You can see here on the left, this is the Claude agent that did not have the front-end design plugin. You can see that the styling here is terrible. Look at the gradient on the AI agents, this background here. Everything about this is just screams AI and screams bad design, whereas the one on the right is actually like a pretty workable HTML website, right? Like it's on theme, has nice buttons, it's very generic because remember, this is only a single HTML file. This is not, a Next.js website or package with ShadCN. This is just very generic, but this is a perfect example to show you the difference of using Claude Code with the design plugin over here on the right, and then without the design plugin over there on the left. And light mode and dark mode works great here. And remember, it did all this in one shot. So you guys can see here visually, obviously, use the front-end design plugin when you're doing UI inside of Claude Code. It will make a huge difference.